Order for me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. What to say? We Nkuranhyensem bre. Na me am ti dwam amede made on cha me edi am yeso ani ni tekotego. Mi sha no na ma me ta to nwum bi kire me. Amento nkire wa na paye. Mi di masem betu nanim. Me di mama ni hunu nyina so beba nanim. Na ma se what is anyu no da. Say my friend Pastor Abraham was there. Or say ordinasem beto awurade anim. Na me dem ko to say nyina be mawurade and I pay for asem nyina mawurade. Ne e course no na de ankoyie ne ene nyina no fato awurade anim. E koso e wo factory of life. Abrabo aye boyi ni e be nyina so ne adwene. A better life starts when you become conscious of your thoughts and decide to change them. A better life, a good life, a wealthy life, a successful life, a life that is rewarding starts when you become conscious of your thoughts and decide to change them. Onipa bia wa brabo be ko ye na di mu a didi kan sa ye ne se ya se ususu adwene awodwene ususu fatu nsam adwene be na ma adwene anapai adwene be na koso ma adwene mu awia we e de na ma adwene ho na adwene so you need to examine the content of your thoughts and then you weed out thoughts that limit you. And so to catch on say adwene bi e be kam ya hye adwene bi e be ma brabo ayesem ya begroni. Every thought that will not give me confidence, I will never allow it to take control over my life. We must say, "Be a wisi so no." You tell on you be, you can send be. Abe yesu ehunu adawa adwene proso, and that's how you are thinking the way you are thinking. All of us, our thoughts are manufactured from our subconscious mind because of what we went through and what we've seen so far. Adwene bi abadwene no etiwa adwene mu dada o. Adwene bi abepie bia no e wa adwene mu dada. Na emom eba say eba no conscious mind that sum na bi say adwene me badwene ni so so ne say adwene me dwene edne. But if you have the patience and the calmness to examine your thoughts, you examine your life, you can always produce the life you want. For the say what drive no be acrosso what you so me cross no be hey twen me cross no dey na menya me cross no asem bi because ba dey na beba amento me bo no mfa ne sebe ne musuo nko wadwene wamakwan waye nia wapo ayo na de cross one hey no so cross no mi wan sa wadwene mu anye na wa cross no asem aba ya na ya bra bo nsunsun so de enya nyina no ne nyina so any sa automatic wheel na e dey adwene for so metia so hu me ko wonya kai uyi onipa wonya kai uyi onipa enti adwene ba tobo ntoboasia ye kasa ntoboasia ntoboasia ne sa wotobo asa wadwene mu aye de sefata sempo se osa wadwene mu na obre adwene abadwene obetimi afre ni teku na afro obi na wasesa adwene awodwene ye fa thought replacement or change your thoughts make a twa konkrom na bi and also renew your mind to transform your life. Renew your mind so sakra wadwene mu a abrabo mu sesa obi ye bi yenko ye bi yetusa yenko tusa obi ekọ dabi renew your mind, sit back and think twice. What am I going to do with this thing? Sadia to me then na meya fa ho kwambe so na meye na manya anu aduro empo emwa ben na mepe hwehunu ben na mehwe afri mu nyansa ben na mefa ne anamontuo ben na mefa. Think twice. Think about what you are thinking about, and you change your emotions. So which you will be now wadwon so nipa we say be on sem fata we dey onye mama we say na o kasa acha ho a na ama abeti so we dey on sem fata me chen no sa abeti na o ma so no efiri adwene a wodwene fa nipa no and now she obi so kasa we dey honorable no abutu honorable enye sa ko brase na wo na mo adwene a wodwene fa honorable ho no na honorable yo enti no adwene abadwene bia no etime kenya o etime pagya o sabi wo hia ba wa kwamu na afre no wo a ehu beka o na hwe abani dina kasa we dey aba obebo atra aba no wadwene ena di ehunu ebre wo wadwene ena di ye di ebre wo odasani onyame ma wadwene wonkwa na ma wadwene wanfa wadwene ankɔhye obi tim enti obi ya wade a memo abrabɔ nkɔhye remote control hye obi nsa wa mia sere no wasere wa mia su no wasu wa mia kɔ dabi wona wadwene kura wo wadwene eni obi tim enti ya na wasusu wadwene ekere wadwene ama wadwene akenya wo aye ne sefata. Your mind is not in anybody's head. You are the sole owner of your thoughts. Therefore, you have to decide how you want to feel at every moment of your life. So become aware of your thoughts. Understand what you are thinking about and reason about what you are thinking about. Susunya wodwene ho. Nothing ya wodwene ho ase. Once you do that, you then become aware of your emotions. Na afi watin kan so abeda wonsem adwena medwene be kanya abufuo adwena medwene be kanya yodie adwena medwene be kanya awerɛho so when you say capture the emotions atinka we de anya mame abufuo atinka awerɛho atinka abomfi atinka de emmoa me. Then you take control and replace your thoughts. Yese menye enso meye yese me ho nye fa enso me hwa Nyankopɔn na ebo me dimu me sefata. Yese me de bi nko school ntimi nya hwe ye boa sebe minimo obi onko school ayi se me pesu ehunu na me pensa na adwuma papa na me sua me so meyi de ka kire wo bia no can the opposite. Yese me etiawa me ntimi nya we ye boa se me training na me practice a metimi ayo. Yese me atenten de do me ntimi nkoto ye boa se me exercise da bia metimi akoto adie bia ewo wiase obi aye bi da no oso betimi ayo ni nyina so ene adwene a wodwene awarepa asetena pa adwuma pa yedie ekurao na wadwene proso apomudne enkanko ninkunimdi ekura wadwene proso eni baabia enya de wo sika ene mo aye yi na me hu sika ni a wadi miada ene ye de wagidini ena wodi na chi a obeyi uye die ekura wadwene wade mo asumdwe it is here apomudne edaha wabrabo nsunsanso afuo wi ayefa na wadwene emu na wo ni abedo atwitwa no ni abedua wo mu no ena abetwa wadwene ayese garden se awo wo mu ensoye wo mu a ene dey tutu nsoye a wo wadwene proso ne kum awo a egum nyinara ne dua rose ne dua sabe bayire na abetwa bayire adwene bia abesusu anopawia na nwumre no eta be ma. You attract what you think consistently. Think positively. Think healthy thoughts and think good thoughts. Think thoughts that will inspire you. Think thoughts of wisdom and think thoughts that will create greatness in you. Never look down upon yourself. Don't give up yet. You have more good days ahead of you than the days that are gone. Emre that we name na do so. Empaba ensu ensuro Kenya wadwene na wo Kenya wadwene obenya wo bi obeboa wo. You see, likeness attracts likeness in thinking patterns. Ya na wo Kenya wadwene asempabo na kan adwen papa na kan sempa obetwi obi a otise wo aben wo na mpo benya boafo mpo obetwetwe di ampo no no odwan pa no menia ana meja wo moma ya nsusu adwen a yadwene na enyu adwen pa na nkenya tenkapa na nkenya subampa wate mamena enokase ona me cameraman na me na Frank ase ona me sound na me na MCR fo ase me na floor manager ase na me na lighting na fe me ko production room na me na Randolph ena eja Webek ampedu ase wo a onya amrehwe me soso no enhira enya wodia midiam giso eye ni takotego ana meja wo oni onyame entira